everyone, Gary Gangster, and welcome back inside another video. Today you might be wondering what's going on, but I am doing a new franchise. Don't worry, the Broncos franchise will be coming back soon, but this is just going to be a little introductory video on this. So what I've done is I've basically download a roster that makes everyone on the team bad. And another challenge I want to do this is I'm not going to know the college players that are coming in on this, which is going to make this a whole lot more difficult. So the point of this franchise is to really develop. So basically, there are some, you still got the superstars and superstar X factors. And the Browns are the worst team. I know this because I've already done this. And like the best part of this team is its pass rush and probably its rushing offense. Sure, only 19 overall running back, but a pretty decent offensive line. And when I mean decent for this. Also, I have this rookie person here. Probably nothing but star dev. He's a 29 overall. One of the better players on this team. So the point of this is basically to get a lot of stuff going. And what I'm going to do here is everyone has a terrible team. There's no team that is over than 30 overall. In fact, the best team is the Saints at 26 overall. And you have so much cap room. And my best player is my punter. There are a few players that I want to keep long term for this. Also, some players like Bailey here I don't want. And most teams are good on the D-line, so there's probably no one that will get close to wanting them. As you see, everyone's top need is quarterback. The X factors will be able to actually get up there in overall. That is, eventually. And see, everyone has the same top 5 needs. I mean, this isn't bad, but I am going to get rid of a receiver. I want to get rid of Joe Notson. See if anyone that wants him. I want to trade him to the Washington football team. See, their best player is a 44 overall. They're on a much better team than I am. I want to see if I can get a 3rd round draft pick for him. Okay, fine. All right. So I've done this in the past. I might go on that franchise and show you all I've done. But I actually started off signing some players. But I want to do it. Oh, actually, I will get DeForest Buckner because he is the best player. And he's a superstar dev. I want to do it to where I have a few good players this first season. And make sure I basically just tank. And just get top overall draft pick. I'm not going to be doing that much in this video because this is an introductory. And my internet is really slow right now. So as you see, I need DeForest Buckner. So that's 3 players I'll keep long term. I don't know if I'll be keeping Sterling Bailey here long term. All these players are complete trash. There are some 0 overall players on the team. Before you ask, there are some. But it's not like they have 0 seed. All their ratings have been reduced to where even if they were converted to another position, they would still be really trash. Alright, well, I'm going to get through half the season today. And basically show you what all this is. I might get to the end of the season, who knows? I don't want this video to be too short. But I am going to be moving quick here. So I'll be moving through the preseason pretty quickly. So let's see. Alright, the last game of the preseason. Alright, got an injury. That's not good. And our left end's hurt. It's great. I didn't see with what it is, so it doesn't even matter. The reason I chose the Browns, again, is because they were the worst team. 7 overall. Now I've gotten them to 8 overall already, without even signing anyone. And we almost won our first preseason game. There we go. Upgrade them. So that's the preseason. And that really will show where I will need work. And it looks like it will be my defense and my offense. I have 2 players here with dislocated ankles on the defense. So what I'm going to do, there are some free agents. As you saw, I got DeForest Buckner. There's not absolutely trash players here. I want to get Wyatt Ray right off my practice squad. So see, there's not everyone's complete trash. I mean, well, everyone is complete trash, but there are some pretty okay players you can get. If you get some high dev players, they won't be trash. I mean, I have found Odell Beckham Jr. my first one, but I'm like 3 years into my first one. More like actually like quite a few years in. And I am mostly basically gotten rid of the original players, mainly because they're so trash, and that I'm going to draft a lot of players, hopefully. I mean, like, the only players that are going to be good are either going to be drafted players or high dev players. Let's see. Let's go ahead and cut him. And then I'll go sign a fullback. And this is going to be really hard, but I will find ways to go through this. And expect me to have a quarterback by the end of the draft, and definitely I want to be drafting a quarterback, running back, and wide receiver, hopefully. Let's see. So look at all these really bad players. I mean, like 18 overall, second center. So already at 12 overall, I really do want big tank games. And hey, we have a breakout right here. Outside linebacker. Well, it might happen for the yard because all these teams are trash. Come on, load. Okay, there we go. Things are really slow and I'm on a tight schedule. And when I mean tight, I mean I'm on a really tight schedule. Hey, we won. 14-13. And let's see. Okay. Okay, this is like really slow. Okay, that was not that slow. Alright, here we go. I want to see. We win. Wait, what's in it? Running yards because he's outside linebacker? Yeah, no, he should have gotten that. Hold them to change to 50 running yards or less. Hey, we got an interception. Joe Mixon led. Okay. Alright, so our leading rusher was 19 yards and broke one tackle. That's nice. Hey, we have a leading receiver, Jojo Natson. 72 yards. 31 yards after the catch. His longest was 22. That's pretty nice. Okay, so it was like 250 yards rushing or 250 yards passing, and which neither was accomplished. This has been a bug. I have seen it in Madden 20, which in Madden 20 I wasn't that strict because I would just automatically turn them. But look at the progression history. Doesn't even matter because he could have gotten a tackle for loss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make him a start in. Alright, start up. Alright, this video is starting to get dragged on. I have about 35 minutes to do this. So hopefully it's a bit shorter than that. So my schedule will can actually have a bit of breathing room. Alright. If we start winning games, I'm gonna be kind of mad. Because I really do not want us to win. Because I want the highest overall pick. I really want the highest overall draft pick. So what I might do is I might, if I start like going on like a 2+ game winning streak, if I go on like a 3-game winning streak, I want to bench a few players, and I want to bench big positions like quarterback, running back, which really isn't going to make much of a difference, and I want to bench a receiver. Now defense, I'm going to be doing that on the linebackers. So if we start going on a 3-game winning streak, I'll bench a few players. Okay, my entire offense is frustrated because we didn't get anything. Alright, so players do progress really fast. Mainly because they have short XP bars because they're so low in overall. Okay, we're 2 and 3. We're actually probably one of the better teams. Alright. Probably going to win this game. That's dang it. Alright, so we're on a 2-game win streak. I mean, you might say, well, how come you want to do bad? It's because I want the #1 overall draft pick. We lost 3. Good job to our kicker gained 3 points. Because when you play yourself, you will not be able to kick any field goals. But the AI can for some reason, which I find really weird. Oh, we get a big win. I don't want that many big wins. Alright. Okay, I think we might be going a bit too good. We're 4 and 4, which can be leading to playoffs. I mean, after this first year, for maybe like the first 2 years, I want to try and do as bad as possible. I mean, rookies, I'll have them play backup the entire year, mainly so I can tank and get high overall draft picks. Oh, who am I? I'm gonna have to have the rookies start. Come on, please. Yes, we lost. 4 and 6. I mean, this can still be gone into a playoff. I mean, Marcus Mariota led the Titans at 2 and 2. I mean, 2 and 4. And then during that 6th game, he got benched. And Tannehill has led the team to 3 losses. Like, through his starting job for Tennessee, he's got 4 losses. 1 in the playoffs against the Chiefs, 1 against the Panthers, 1 against the Texans, and I forgot the other one. And he has no other losses while starting for the Titans. Mariota has a butt ton of losses. Alright, yeah, we keep losing. That's good. Got an injury to our rookie. That's not good. He's hopefully going to be maybe a 47 by the end of the year. Because I'm definitely drafting a linebacker 2nd round. We win. Okay. This can still amount to playoffs. I mean, 6 wins. That's pretty high. I mean, there's some teams that probably are winless. Or like, so what I'm going to do, I want to go in, start benching some guys. So hopefully that will do not so good. If we do good with our defense, it doesn't look like we are. Okay, apparently we are. 6 tackles, 2 picks. Alright, so yeah, we are not making the playoffs this year. 6-10. Here we come. Hopefully 14 points. Defense, you gotta let up more than that. And the backups aren't actually doing that bad. Okay, there we go. Okay, so 6-10. Probably want to hopefully have a top 10 draft pick. Let's go ahead and generate the best lineup. Alright, hopefully benching those guys definitely helped. Alright. Well, we are 6-10. The Bengals won the division. I think that's one of the teams we beat. Wait, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we do get top 10 pick. Usually that's not enough for a quarterback though, guys. It's usually not enough for a quarterback. Let's go ahead. Let's send the Super Bowl. So I will be recording with this series about once a week. And yes, I said once a week. Benny Gordon. He can't upgrade. Yeah, he's 0 overall. Okay. Let's start. Let's go in. Yeah, 4. And now I'm really going to try and bring back my few good players. My few right away. I mean, don't be surprised to see a lot of these bad overall players ask for some big money. I mean, like in 4 seasons, so about 5 episodes, you'll see a lot of these guys actually want low deals. I mean, some of these guys do want some high deals. No, I am. Definitely. Actually, do I want him? He's 28. Teams will be going after him, so no, I do not. Don't want him. I will manage to get out of this by getting rid of a lot of players, and I'll be getting. So basically, some of my best players I'm going to bring back. But that's it. And after that, I want to try and get the best of free agency. Okay, I'm definitely wanting to keep this guy around. He wants a small deal, 30 overall, but with superstar dev. We'll keep him. And I might grab Gafford to be my backup. Okay. But Dad's talking with a call on someone. Alright, I think it's going to be... No, DeForest Buckner definitely coming back. He's X Factor. Of course, he's wanting big money. I'm definitely not hesitant to get him some big money. Also, I'm gonna have to draft. Might not. You might see me pick up a better kicker or a better punter. But I'm definitely gonna be drafting a fullback the 7th rounds. Alright, so that's a deal done. I think that's everyone we're gonna bring back. Yep, that is everyone I'm bringing back, everyone. So, still got 29 players I can choose to bring back. As looks like Cam Newton led the Patriots to a win. Alright, so we're big on defense, the $130 million in cap. Told you these guys get pretty good. Look at these, good receivers. Not really good, but Chris Godwin up there in overall. He's gonna have to grab some big money if I want him. Also Kenny Galloway, but he is 27. Might let him slip by. But I see a Yannick Ngakoue that can play on the left side. I also see a Beckham Jr. Yannick Ngakoue. He's gonna want a lot of big money. Yeah, a lot of these like 50 overall players, they're gonna want a lot of big money. Gafford probably playing number 3 after I pay this guy some money. Not the most money, but he's gonna grab something. Alright, so see, there's all that. Hopefully I'll get some signings so I can grow the team. Last time in the first free agency, there was a 77 overall Jair Alexander, and rejected. Oh, come on, Chris Godwin. Yeah, I can go good. Okay. Seriously, Chris Godwin. I offered him a bigger amount of points. Alright, well, whatever. Yannick Ngakoue, we want to get some bigger money. Alright, come on. Give me Yannick Ngakoue. There, he's here. Okay. So that's probably the end of the first free agency. And I'm not going to show you guys the draft. I did get rid of my quarterback on purpose, guys. Don't worry. On purpose. Yeah, this is how I wanted it. But hopefully my linebackers can develop quick so I don't have to draft linebackers. Alright, going to the left side of the linebackers is this guy. My really high devs are actually on my defensive side. Relentless, I think that is. Yep, relentless. As soon as the draft, I think I have enough time to do the draft. I mean, I do get pick 9, somewhere from like pick 6 to pick 11, somewhere from there, and I get pick 9. Look at the Jaguars get 2 top 3 picks. All right, definitely going quarterback. Nope, well, it goes right tackle. Definitely okay. Is there like no quarterbacks? There's a corner, best player in the league right now though. Alright, I'm losing out on good players. I don't want to see the 78 overall. Okay, 69. I'm glad I saw that. Alright. I really want him. Definitely want to go after that middle linebacker. See. Ooh, quarterback, 3rd round right there. Alright, I'm set. I'm set. But what do I go with? He's a late first. I usually do look at that. Late first. Oh, come on! Alright, I might not have enough time. But I mean, 69 overall. It is kind of good for this. Let's see, what's with the running back? He's a mid first. That's with this. He's mid first. What do I want? Do I want offensive firepower? Do I want deep? I already have mostly defensive firepower. Let's welcome Derek Justice to the team. I thought it would be more like Peter Bird. Peter Bird's 73 overall running back that I got with Hidden Dev, my first one of this. But Derek Justice is a 75 overall normal dev. That's gonna be great. That's hey, that's something. Okay, yeah, I just want to see if someone would take a quarterback. All right. Thing is, I won't be surprised to see if the quarterback is gone. Nope, still there. I don't want to risk waiting till the 4th round, so I'm definitely taking the 3rd round. But in the meantime, let's take this guy. 72 overall. Left guard. Heck. 84 pass block run block finesse. 75 run block. Might get his power up. So this guy looks more like a run blocker. Nice job. I'm not surprised. That big run block finesse. Alright. Is it still kind of risky waiting for the 3rd round on that quarterback? It's probably nothing but like a 71 or something. That was still pretty risky. If he's still there, and he is. He is a late first in everything. 18. That's pretty muscular. Best acceleration. He's the fastest, and he can dunk the best. It's 72 overall. I mean, it's not awful. I do like that break sack. It's not awful, but I really wanted something else. I really wanted a hidden dead. I also get pick 30 in this round. Sweet. So let's see. Okay, so you go 1st round. Right guard. I'm gonna go because mid first. 73 overall, normal, still normal. Woo, that's some high finesse. 86 run block finesse, that's his top skill too. Well, besides injury and stamina. That's his, wow. So offensively, I'm gonna be fine. Definitely gonna go after some defense for the rest of the draft. Alright, because I haven't done anything on defense. I've been watching a lot of these bad defensive players, these good defensive players go. I might actually take him. Scatter, let's see. Ooh. Good strong safety there. Got a right end there for the 5th round. Ooh, no, I'm taking that right end. No way. I have to take Isaiah Simmons.
I can't not take Isaiah Simmons. Well, that's an early second. What's the other right end here? Probably late second? Yeah. I have to take Isaiah Simmons, dude. He was my favorite player taken in the draft. Alright, I have to take Isaiah Simmons soon, though. Alright, I'm going to be taking... Okay, no, you can get off my board. I will be taking a 4th round strong safety. Looks like a nice combine. Late 4th, he is a 67 overall. I like that. Don't like a lot of his coverage. 59 overall. Yeah, I won't have to use him in zone defense, won't I? I do get pick 14 right now. Okay, with this, I'm going to take not Isaiah Simmons. Is this 3rd round right guard I might take still? Draft board. Let's see. Nick Clark. I might be able to wait on him. I'm not going to risk it though.